Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor speakers which are not working. So here are a few fix checks on your audio output, OSD volume as well as cables. Fix 1. Select the monitor as the audio output. Click this speaker icon on the taskbar. Choose the MSI monitor from the audio device list. Fix 2. Check the cable connection. Use an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Unplug and reconnect the cable securely. Fix 3. Check monitor volume. Press the monitor's menu or navi button. Open audio settings. Turn up the volume and make sure mute is off. Fix 4. Confirm your monitor has speakers. Not all MSI monitors have built-in speakers. If it doesn't, you need to connect external speakers or any headphones. Fix 5. Update the drivers. Update your graphics driver, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Then also update your audio driver through Device Manager and then restart your PC after updating. Fix 6. Test the sound. Play audio and check if sound comes from the monitor. If not, try another HDMI or DisplayPort cable or another device. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.